I've had this video clip for a while, and it's actually our excluded IAM member. He sent me this in before he sent me the bunch of the other clips that I made into one video. And he gets triggered by this black BMW on the left. So because the BMW went the wrong way, he's not standing for that. He's going to have to overtake. The competitive nature of this guy's driving is a joke. The IAM are better off without him. I was expecting David Attenborough to start talking when I first saw this clip, but it's actually a poor overtake on not this cyclist, but one a little touch further up. That's way too close to that blind corner. If the Volkswagen had been coming round any quicker, that could have involved everyone. Awful. One of my newly passed viewers sent this in, and this was his first ever recorded dashcam clip. And it's this guy getting into his car, who forgets he had his left signal on when he put his hazards on. Look at the problems it causes.
Whoa! Jesus! It's because he had his left indicator on though.
You're not wrong. Thanks for sending in the clip. These next three clips come from one of my French viewers, and it shows they have problems with cyclists jumping red lights also. And we've also got common ground on people riding electric scooters. Considering it's where they originate from, I'm not surprised that we're going to see a Peugeot. What does the internet say about Peugeots? I've forgotten. The lorry coming the other way with his full beams on didn't help this situation. I know how you feel, mate. It's the vehicle 2 in front of our camera that we're watching. There's a junction coming off to the left, and they try to take it. I'm so glad they changed their mind. It's a good job the cyclist was switched on enough to deal with these two. It's the silver Volkswagen reversing out that we're going to watch in this clip, and the direction of the bus lane. Do you think they were distracted a little because they were looking up at Blackpool Tower? I always knew that BMW drivers are always the most thoughtful and caring people on the road. We're not finished yet, and we're only about halfway through, but I'd like to use this little lull to say a massive thanks to all my viewers who keep on sending in these wonderful clips. Please subscribe and turn on all notifications for future uploads. Thanks for your support. Now on to a crash. Lanes are closing, and this lorry to the left is going to make a big mistake.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! He just hit.
We can't even give this lorry driver any excuses that maybe it's from the continent and it's a left-hand drive. He was passing the traffic in the left lane. How could he have not seen the blue Golf? We're in Leeds for this clip, and it's the car that's just emerged out from the right that we're watching. Nice. This is a great example of how close people actually look to in front of their car. Yep, they've just seen us. I think this is actually our first taxi of this episode. Overtaking at a crossing is dangerous and illegal. Don't do it. As always, I'm going to be brutally honest with all my clips that my viewers send in. And I think, literally, my viewer was just a little triggered because the scooter is overtaking him.
Even while literally having the anaesthetic to have the operation, I was despising myself for having it. Every time I talk about it, I'm hot with embarrassment. And when people say to me, gosh, you look so slim, oh, you look great, isn't it marvellous, and all of this, I say immediately,
how much do you think the scooter affected the camera? Let us know in the comments. This is an interesting clip. Have a look at the right lane at the traffic lights. How did that car even get there? At least my camera held back and let them fix their mistake. Good on you. This is where the clip ended though. Do you think the camera went through on this amber light? Here we've got a clip from the 1950s. Oh, sorry, it's not. It's from a Tesla. And it's this lorry on the left that we're watching. That looked quite close. Let's have a look from the side view. Wow, that was close. The mistake for this one is solely on the shoulders of my viewer. Too fast for the road and conditions. Hopefully, only pride was injured. This is right near mine. Watch up near the lights and how the BMW comes round the corner. Recipe for disaster, this one. This van will need more room to get out of this narrow road. So the car coming in drives on the other pavement for them. Thanks.